Welcome to this life-changing video where we'll dive deep into the 6 powerful sacrifices successful people make to achieve wealth. Forget shortcuts or magic formulas. This is about understanding the grit and determination required to climb the ladder of success. Today we'll dissect the extraordinary journey of Elon Musk, a name synonymous with ambition, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of pushing boundaries. Musk's story isn't just about electric cars or space exploration. It's a testament to the sacrifices made, the risks taken, and the unwavering belief in a vision. These aren't just tips. They're the realities that every successful person, including Musk, embraces.
Let's face it, comfort can be seductive. It's that warm, inviting space that makes you feel safe and content. It wraps you in a warm blanket of complacency, making it hard to leave that cozy spot. It lulls you into a false sense of security, making you believe that everything is fine just the way it is. But successful people like Elon Musk understand that comfort is the enemy of progress. They know that staying in your comfort zone means stagnation. They embrace discomfort as a catalyst for growth, pushing themselves beyond their limits to achieve greatness.
Remember the story of Musk sleeping on the factory floor during Tesla's darkest hours? It's a powerful example of dedication. He wasn't putting on a show, he was living his commitment. He was there in the trenches with his team. It wasn't about saving money, it was about being fully immersed, understanding every aspect of the work. It was about feeling the pulse of the company, knowing the challenges firsthand. It was about sharing the burden with his team, showing them that he was in it together with them.
This is a fundamental principle, one that every aspiring entrepreneur should understand. If you want to break free from the gravitational pull of poverty, you need to be ready to sacrifice comfort in every aspect of your life. This means pushing through late nights and early mornings. This might mean working longer hours than you're used to, putting in the extra effort when others are resting. It could mean taking on multiple jobs to make ends meet, hustling harder than ever before. Or even living in a modest environment while you build your empire, sacrificing luxuries for future gains. The road to success is not paved with plush carpets and air-conditioned comfort. It's a path filled with challenges and discomfort. It's paved with the grit of discomfort, the determination to keep moving forward despite the hardships.
We live in a world obsessed with leisure. Social media feeds are filled with exotic vacations, weekend getaways, and endless entertainment options. It's easy to get swept up in the allure of it all. But Elon Musk's schedule paints a different picture. He's known for working up to 100 hours a week, often sacrificing vacations and personal time. This isn't about glorifying overwork. It's about understanding the level of dedication required to build something extraordinary. It's about prioritizing your goals above immediate gratification.
Now, I'm not suggesting you abandon all forms of leisure. Balance is crucial. But I am asking you to take a hard look at how you spend your free time. Are you using it to recharge and refocus on your goals? Or are you mindlessly scrolling through social media, consuming hours of television, or engaging in activities that don't contribute to your growth? If you're serious about building wealth, you'll need to make conscious sacrifices with your leisure time. Let's be clear, I'm not advocating for chronic sleep deprivation. Your health is paramount. Sleep is essential for your overall well-being, mental clarity, and physical health. Without adequate rest, your productivity and creativity can suffer. However, there's a difference between getting enough rest and succumbing to the luxury of oversleeping. While it's important to get the recommended 7-9 hours of sleep, it's equally important to recognize when you're using sleep as an escape from responsibilities or challenges. Successful people understand that time is a finite resource, and sometimes you need to be creative with how you manage it. They know that every minute counts, and that effective time management can be the key to achieving their goals.
Elon Musk, for example, is notorious for his unconventional sleep schedule. He often talks about working 80 to 100 hours a week, driven by his passion and commitment to his projects. He's been known to work late into the night, fueled by his vision, and wake up early to get a head start on the day. This relentless drive is what sets him apart and allows him to accomplish so much. This isn't about promoting an unhealthy lifestyle. It's about recognizing that there are seasons in life where pushing your limits is necessary. There are times when the demands of your goals require you to stretch beyond your comfort zone. Think of it like this. When you're building a business, launching a new product, or pursuing a challenging goal, There's a certain level of urgency that requires you to go the extra mile. These are the moments when your dedication and hard work can set the foundation for future success. It's during these crucial periods that sacrificing a few hours of sleep can make all the difference. Those extra hours can be the tipping point between mediocrity and excellence, between failure and success. Now, this doesn't mean you should permanently operate on minimal sleep. It's about being strategic. Understand when it's necessary to push yourself and when it's time to rest and recharge. Balance is key, and knowing how to manage your time effectively can help you achieve your dreams without compromising your health.
Chapter 4. Sacrifice Social Life. This one is often difficult to hear, but it's a reality that many successful individuals have faced. The journey to success is often paved with long hours and intense focus. Building something meaningful, something that leaves a dent in the universe, often requires a level of dedication that impacts your social life. It demands sacrifices that not everyone is willing to make. Elon Musk has openly admitted that his relentless work ethic has, at times, strained his personal relationships. He has missed out on family events and social gatherings to push his vision forward. It's the price of ambition, the cost of pursuing a vision that consumes your every thought. The drive to achieve something extraordinary often means putting other aspects of life on hold. Now, I'm not suggesting you sever all ties with your loved ones and become a recluse. Balance is key, and it's important to find moments to connect with those who matter. Relationships are vital, and maintaining a strong support system is crucial for your well-being. They provide the emotional support and grounding you need to keep going. However, it's important to be honest with yourself and those around you about your priorities. Transparency helps manage expectations and reduces misunderstandings. During certain seasons of your life, you might need to temporarily scale back on social engagements. This is a natural part of the ebb and flow of pursuing big goals. This could mean declining invitations to parties, even if it feels uncomfortable, reducing the frequency of outings with friends, and understanding that it's a temporary phase, or having open and honest conversations with your family about your current commitments. Let them know why you're making these choices and how it aligns with your long-term vision. The key is to communicate effectively, set realistic expectations, and make sure those closest to you understand the why behind your temporary withdrawal. This way, they can support you better, and you can maintain those important relationships even during busy times.
Chapter 5. Sacrifice financial security. This is where things get real. Sacrificing financial security is not for the faint of heart. It requires a certain level of risk tolerance, a willingness to bet on yourself, even when the odds seem stacked against you. Elon Musk's journey is a testament to this principle. He poured his own money into Tesla and SpaceX, risking his personal fortune to keep his dreams alive. He understood that true innovation requires bold bets, a willingness to put skin in the game. Now, I'm not suggesting you drain your savings account tomorrow and invest in a risky venture. It's about calculated risks, about understanding the potential downsides and being prepared for them. Financial security is important, but it shouldn't come at the expense of your dreams.
Chapter 6. Sacrifice Stability. We live in a world that craves stability, a steady job, a predictable routine, a life devoid of major upheavals. But the path to true success is rarely linear. It's filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. Elon Musk's journey is a testament to this. He's faced countless challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt, but through it all, he's remained adaptable, pivoting when necessary, and never losing sight of his long-term vision. Embracing uncertainty is crucial for achieving lasting success. It's about being comfortable with the unknown, knowing that setbacks are inevitable, but viewing them as opportunities for growth and learning. This might mean stepping outside your comfort zone, taking on new challenges, or even changing careers entirely. Stability can be an illusion, a false sense of security that prevents you from reaching your full potential.
As we've explored, the journey to wealth and success isn't paved with shortcuts or magic formulas. It's about making difficult choices, embracing discomfort, and being willing to sacrifice in the short term to reap exponential rewards in the long run. Remember, these sacrifices are not easy, but they are the stepping stones to greatness. Take inspiration from Elon Musk and countless other successful individuals who have walked this path before you. Start making these changes in your life today, even if it's just small steps at first. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it.